The new photosensitive resin enhances ultra-high-speed 3D printing modeling technology, break through the limitations of traditional process on products and brings a new visual experience. This is the X1 razor. The X1's color and handle with one button snap design, which can be closed up very easily. Using Swedish 6-layer 3-groove matrix Sandvik blades, is more durable and more efficient than traditional cutter heads. Hollow handle brings a new design, imitating a human finger grip, which makes users more comfortable. User can shape easily by changing the angle of wrist to fit the face with perfect adaptive angle. Different from the traditional heavy metal shaver, X1 makes user feel gentle and skin-friendly, even using winter, with very fine and antibacterial painting, and a simple rinse can remove the remains very easily. With magnetic button, X1 can be placed on any iron support to hang upside down, which keeps fast the ventilation and let the remaining water stains air dry. If you have a 3D printer, we will provide you with the important parameters of the handle to print a handle with color and shape you like, and combine them into a special razor for your love. With unique and creative design, X1 makes you enjoy the convenience by new technology and brings more vitality and enjoy your life. X1, smart and individual.